Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, I did a live Dollar Tree, but I never showed you my haul. And so now I'm back home and I get to unbox and start crafting. And so let me go ahead and show you everything I did get after all. And then I noticed that I had some questions as well. So I did pick up this red charger, and one of you beauties said it just looks like a plate. And actually the charger is kind of like you put a plate on the charger. It's kind of just for looks, but we're going to do something with it for some type of DIY. So the other thing I grabbed was this cute little Happy Easter. It's super cute. It has like this little bit of stuffing in it. So we will do something with that guy as well. I have this cute little bunny rabbit here. Super adorable. I think he may just stay as is unless I can think of something that I really want. But I just think it is so cute. Look at those ears. But afterwards, we'll definitely be using this stuff for some DIYs. Afterwards being after Easter. I did pick up 2 of these scarves. A lot of you guys wanted me to show you how I decorate my eggs using these scarves. So I picked up these 2 really colorful ones. And I will definitely be making that video here soon. What else did we get? Okay. I did grab this Somebody Loves You. Really cute. More stuff here. I did grab the power strip, and it comes with 3 in there, and it just gives a little bit of length, but it turns 1 cord into 3, so I do like that. You guys, I hadn't seen these before. They're magnetic clips, and they've got a magnetic strip across the back, so I have a nice whiteboard that I could use these for. You can also put them on your refrigerator. So I thought that was cool. I grabbed this magnifying sheet, and I grabbed it because I wanted it as a base for a DIY. So I'm not going to be using the whole thing as a magnetic sheet, but it is still very cool for a magnetic sheet. I also picked up this journal, and it says, "In a world where you can be anything, always stay humble and kind." And I just thought that was so cute. I picked up some St. Patrick's Day clovers, stickers there. So you guys, I ended up going with 3 of the diamond wraps. And I will be using one of these in a DIY this week. So if you're not subscribed and you want to see that, make sure you subscribe. And then I did pick up these barrettes, you guys. Look how cute with the little glitter. And oh, there's a piece of glitter. There's a piece of glitter. No glitter. That's great. Okay, another bag here. We got my receipt. I did pick up one of these buckets here. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I had never seen that bucket, so I had to pick it up in case something comes to mind. I'm always on the lookout for these napkin rings, and I could never find them, but they had them there, and so I grabbed that. Again, if you didn't see my live, this is from the Cedar City store in Utah. So I am back home nice and safe again. But I did pick up the Aleene's tacky glue. I had a big one, but recently ran out, so this little one is good, and you guys have all told me that this was a very good deal, so I'm glad I picked it up. I picked up a pair of readers just because I'm old, I guess. Okay, apparently I should have grabbed a bunch more of these, but when I saw these, I thought they were so cute. So I did grab one pack, and I will be using those even if I just place them around. I also found, you guys, this little bookmark. It's a real wooden bookmark, and it says plant kindness, grow love. Is that so cute? Can you see that? Look at that little heart. So I grabbed that. The M&Ms in the pastel colors, I grabbed one of those. I'll be using those as a stamping project. Don't ask me why I got these little gnomes, but I thought they were super cute and wanted to grab them because I hadn't seen the little gnomes before. So grabbed one of those. I think while I was there, I told you about the metal garden hooks, that they are perfect for hanging on a closet rod, and then you can put your purses and stuff on there. And for two of them, I thought that was a really nice idea. I also picked up this metal hanging plant bracket. I don't know what I'll do with it, but I know there will be a DIY when it comes to me. And let's see, we're down to the last of the stuff here. So let's see. I did pick up this guy here for my coffee station. One of you guys suggested it, and I'll definitely turn this into a little bit of a DIY there. So it's just a placemat, but we will DIY it, you know that. I picked up some favor boxes. There's 12 of them in here. That's a great little buy there for $1. I got the coffee mugs that are clear with the little silver on them. Again, hadn't seen those before, so I grabbed them. And then last but not least, they had these Justice League crayons, and my grandson loves to have naked crayons, so he always peels off the paper, which is one of my things that just, what are you doing? So I thought maybe if I got him Justice League and they had some of his characters like Batman and stuff on it, he won't make them naked. So apparently that's what they're called now when the paper is taken off. He's only in kindergarten, so I'm assuming that's what they call them, is naked crayons. But hopefully he'll leave the paper on these. So, all right, that is my haul for the week, and I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. That way I know you want to see more. And then make sure you stay tuned, because I'm going to start doing some DIYs with these projects that I have, or supplies that I've now purchased. So, all right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.